And communication literacy, go, go, go. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In this video, we're going to look at some concepts for teachers taking the Communication Literacy MTEL 1 reading and writing exams. This is for you if you've been struggling with these exams. Use this content to help you get better at the test and pass. And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Just do me a favor and take a look at the cartoon. Tell me when you looked it over. Making an inference. When we look at this cartoon here, everyone can see they're at a sporting event, that it's cold, that it's a family. It's a family, looks like a sporting event, and it looks like it's freezing. But making an inference is answering the question, why? Why would a family be at a sporting event in the freezing cold? Now, does anyone have an idea? What could be the why? Like, why would you do this? Have your family go out in the freezing cold and watch a game. Maybe you're fans. Maybe. But I honestly, if I was a fan, I would just go by myself. Why would I bring my family in the freezing cold with a blanket? Maybe it's a family member. Has anyone ever gone to the freezing cold to watch a family member in the rain because you love them? Unless it is Tom Brady, I'm not going out with a blanket and bringing my family. If I get to see Tom Brady play, I'm going to bring my family. They're going to wear a blanket. We're going to do it in the rain. But if it's not Tom Brady, right? It's got to be a kid. Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean. So making an inference, we have to read in between the lines. And we got to ask we got to do a little bit of critical reasoning. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you need help on your communication literacy exams, whether it's reading or writing or both, check out a GOHacademy workshop at GOHacademy.com. I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. Everyone have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.